Hi, how are you?
Good.
Tell us what you're playing with today.
I'm playing with the Sphero.
A Sphero?
A Spurt plus Sphero.
Oh, okay.
I am a toy of Carrie's. I am a Sphero.
What?
And like you just saw, it can just run away from me.
Okay. Can you tell me about how you program the Sphero?
Yes.
What are you holding in your hand?
A phone that is I put an app on it that has a thing you can program the Sphero with.
Okay. So can I do a close-up of the phone and you can show us how you're programming it?
I first go to any tab.
Okay.
There is multiple tabs.
Okay. What do the tabs say? Can you read a few of them?
Movement, lights and sounds, controls, operators,
Comparators.
comparators, sensors, events,
Variables.
variables, functions.
Okay.
I am now on movement.
Okay.
I can choose if it can roll.
Ooh, and you just drag the word roll up there?
Yes.
And then you tell it how many degrees you want it to roll?
I will let it roll 0 degrees.
0 degrees? That won't be much of a roll. You want to see what it looks like at 0 degrees?
Mom, it would go like you just saw. I put on 0
Oh, okay,
degrees.
so straight. So what if you wanted it to go around?
I would have to do multiple rolls.
Okay.
A roll.
So that'd be the first step is to go straight.
2, and now it would go like this way. No, Mom, I went it a little bit off, a little bit straight.
Okay.
I will put it on. Speed is 108.
108. Okay.
And it will go for, let's go, a minute.
60 seconds?
Yeah, a minute.
Okay. All right. Do you want to change anything else in the program, or are you just going to have it go straight for 60 seconds?
And 100.
Okay.
Ready, set, let's watch it go. Whee!
That seemed like shorter than 60 seconds. Why do you think that is?
I don't know. Because it hit something, that's why it stopped.
Oh, I see. Okay. What if I wanted you, McGregor, to make a program where the Sphero went...
Stop.
Okay, now McGregor, I need you to make a Sphero program that makes the Sphero go around this dining room chair. Okay.
Does that do one thing?
Okay.
Ballbot. That's what I named my Sphero.
You named it Ballbot. Great name for it.
I can change the name for Loop, but I'm not right now.
So are you giving some commands to the Sphero?
Yes.
So what direction do you think it should start going in order to go around the chair?
I started here, it would have to go straight.
Okay, for how long would it need to go straight?
Probably like 5 seconds.
Okay.
Which would be 5 green, 5 red.
Okay, 5 seconds, and that would be 5 blinks of your eyes, huh? Okay. And then how fast would the Sphero be going? What speed would you want the...
I would probably want it to go like 50.
Okay, do you want to try that and see how far it goes and how fast?
Yes.
Or you want to program the whole program and then try it out?
I'm going to just test it out.
Okay.
And then I could do it multiple times around.
Okay, yeah.
Then I would loop it like 1, like, then I would change it to 3, 4.
Oh, okay, so all 4 sides of the chair.
So I would have to go to loop, which is on controls, loop, and then I would drag it. Just let me get this ready.
Okay. So you're putting the full program in?
Yes.
Can we take a look? And you sure you want it to go fast? I'm excited to see what happens. You're going to put it at 45? Is that what you put?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, 41.
41.
And then I will
Okay.
go to loop.
Loop, okay. And you're sliding that up. It's a drag motion, I see.
And then I'll put this in loop, and it will be.
Are you ready to try your program?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how it goes. Okay, so now, oh, where are you going?
Hey, it's going now.
Okay, so you're changing your program?
Yes. I can't do two now.
Okay, we'll move Knox out of the way. Okay.
You can redo it for me.
All right, you're going to try it again?
Okay. If you want me to.
You're right there.
Go. Ready, set. Let's try. You said this thing works.
Okay, here he goes.
Hey, where's
he going?
It's not my turn.
Okay.
I can go under it. That's my turn, okay?
I bet you can if you keep trying.
Yeah, keep trying. It's my turn.
Thanks. What are you adjusting in your program?
I should probably go adjust the aim.
You're going to adjust the aim.
Green one.
Oh, I see Sphero moving. When you adjusted the aim, he spun around.
Oh, that thing.
That's his aim. So does he have a little place on him that shows like his eyes, like the direction he's facing?
Yes.
Can you show us? Oh, yeah. Okay. The Sphero logo there. Okay. Now you want to try your program?
Yeah.
Try not to get right in front of the camera. Whoa! It's coming by my foot!
I don't think I can do it. First, speed will probably go like. I'm not doing it. Because I'm going to see if I can run. It went the opposite way. Weird. Mom, if you keep going the wrong way.
Is it stuck?
Yes.